Hey everyone, Levinrad over here, and I want to tell you about our wholesaling real estate bootcamp where we teach new investors who've never flipped a house how to start wholesaling and flipping. All right, so biggest challenge that we have for students we found through our bootcamps over the years is that they don't know how to find houses. So we spend 3 days at the bootcamp teaching you that, and when I say we, I mean myself personally standing in front of the room teaching you for 3 full days, all right? And if you cannot physically come to the bootcamp, we provide a video for you as well. Either way, we teach you how to find houses. Now, once you know how to find a house, the next thing you need to do is know how to prepare a contract, make an offer, and have a proof of funds letter. And I'm gonna give you all of that as well. All the way down to when you get a house under contract, you want to market it to a cash buyer, I'm going to make it easy for you. Go ahead and market it, put it on Craigslist, wherever you want. If you find a buyer, I will fund your deal. If we find a buyer and we market it for you, then we'll still fund your deal, all right? And then we'll walk you through from A to Z, from start to finish. And at the bootcamp, I'm also going to take you on a bus trip so you can go through bank home properties and you can see what these properties look like, all right? So whether you want to bid on HUD.com, or you want to bid on auction.com, or you want to bid on Hubzu, or you're doing motivated seller marketing, sending out postcards or yellow letters or bandit signs, either way, you know how to find deals. And I promise you that I will show you in 3 days how to start flipping houses, all right? Take a look at the testimonials I have on my website. They kind of speak for themselves. If you want to get started flipping houses, I'm here to help you. Put your name and email address below, and we'll get started.